Hello there. Excuse me, I saw the moving truck earlier today. I guess that means you are my new neighbor. Welcome to the building.
Oh, hello. Yes, that was me. We just finished with the last box. It is very nice to meet you. I am sorry about all the noise from the moving.
Oh, please don't worry about that at all. It is completely normal. We all have to do it. The most important thing is that you are here now. I live right next door, in apartment 4B.
That is great to know. I am in apartment 4A, so we are direct neighbors. I hope I will be a quiet and good neighbor for you.
I am sure you will be. We are all pretty friendly and quiet here. It's a nice, peaceful building. My name is David, by the way.
It is a pleasure to meet you, David. My name is Maria. Thank you so much for coming over to say hello. It really makes me feel welcome already. This is all very new for me.
Of course, Maria. It's my pleasure. Moving to a new place can be difficult. If you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Do you need a hand with any of those boxes inside?
That is so kind of you to offer, David. But I think I have the worst part done. The big furniture is all in place. Now I just have to unpack all of these small things. It feels like it will take forever.
I know that feeling very well. When we moved in, it took us almost 2 weeks to unpack everything. Just take your time with it. There is no rush at all. So, where did you move from, Maria? Was it a long journey for you today? You look a little tired, but that is expected on moving day, of course.
I moved from a city called Northwood. It is about 3 hours away by car, so it was quite a long drive this morning. We had to start very early, around 5 a.m. I am definitely feeling tired now.
Wow, a 3-hour drive with a moving truck is very tiring. I am impressed. What made you decide to move here, to this city, if you don't mind me asking?
I don't mind at all. I got a new job here. It was a really great opportunity that I could not say no to. My old town was very nice, but it was much smaller and had fewer job opportunities.
A new job. That is wonderful news. Congratulations on the new opportunity. That's a very exciting reason to move to a new place. What kind of work do you do?
Thank you, David. I am very excited to start. I am an elementary school teacher. I will be teaching second grade at the school just down the street, Westbrook Elementary. Do you know it?
Oh, yes, I know it very well. It has a fantastic reputation. My children actually go to that school. That is a wonderful coincidence. What a small world.
Really? That is amazing. I am a little nervous about starting at a new school, so it is nice to know someone whose children are students there. What do you do for work, David?
I work as a software developer for a technology company downtown. It is quite different from teaching, I think. I mostly sit in front of a computer all day, writing code. It can be interesting, but sometimes a little boring.
A software developer. That sounds very smart and complicated. I am not very good with computers, so I admire what you do. Do you enjoy it most of the time?
Yes, I do. It is challenging work. You mentioned my children? Yes, I have a son and a daughter. My son, Leo, is in fourth grade, and my daughter, Sophie, is in second grade. So she might be in your class.
Oh my goodness, Sophie. I will have to look for her name on my class list. That would be so funny. I would love to meet them and your wife sometime.
My wife's name is Sarah. She is a nurse at the main hospital. You will definitely meet her and the kids soon. I am sure they will be very happy to have a new neighbor.
That is so lovely. I am here by myself, so meeting new people is my top priority. Since you know the area so well, could I ask you for some advice? I need to go grocery shopping later. Is there a good store nearby?
Absolutely. There is a fantastic supermarket just 2 blocks away. If you go out the front door of the building and turn right, just walk straight. You cannot miss it. It is called Fresh Market. They have everything you will need.
Fresh Market, 2 blocks to the right. Got it. That is perfect. Thank you. What about a nice park? I like to go for walks in the evening to relax a little.
Oh, you are in luck. We have one of the most beautiful parks in the city very close to here. It is called Greenwood Park. It has a lovely little lake and many walking trails. It is very safe and popular with people in the neighborhood.
Greenwood Park. That sounds absolutely perfect. A walk by a lake is exactly what I need after a day like today. Thank you for the recommendation. I love being outdoors. Walking and hiking are my favorite hobbies.
You like hiking? Me too. My wife and I try to go hiking on the weekends when we can. There are some excellent trails in the hills just outside the city. They are about a 30-minute drive from here.
That is fantastic to hear. I was hoping there would be good hiking spots nearby. Maybe you can tell me about the best trails sometime when you're not busy. I would really appreciate that.
I would be happy to. I can even draw you a little map of my favorite one. So, how are you finding the apartment so far? I know you just moved in, but do you like it? Does everything work properly?
Oh, I love the apartment. It is even better than I remembered from my visit. There is so much natural light from the big windows, and the kitchen is much bigger than my old one, which is great because I love to cook.
That's great to hear. A good kitchen makes a big difference. Is the water pressure okay in the shower? That can sometimes be a problem in older buildings like this one.
I have not tried the shower yet, but the sink seems fine. Everything seems perfect, actually. The only small thing is that I cannot figure out how to work the air conditioning unit. It looks a little old.
I would be happy to. I can even draw you a little map of my favorite one. So, how are you finding the apartment so far? I know you just moved in, but do you like it? Does everything work properly?
Oh, I love the apartment. It is even better than I remembered from my visit. There is so much natural light from the big windows, and the kitchen is much bigger than my old one, which is great because I love to cook.
That's great to hear. A good kitchen makes a big difference. Is the water pressure okay in the shower? That can sometimes be a problem in older buildings like this one.
I have not tried the shower yet, but the sink seems fine. Everything seems perfect, actually. The only small thing is that I cannot figure out how to work the air conditioning unit. It looks a little old.
Ah, yes, those air conditioning units can be tricky. They are all a bit old. There is a specific switch on the side you have to press first. Here, let me show you quickly if you want. It will only take a second.
Would you? Oh, that would be a lifesaver. Thank you so much, David. I was worried I would have to call the landlord about it tomorrow. I really appreciate your help.
It is no problem at all. We are neighbors. We should help each other. Also, to welcome you to the neighborhood properly, my wife and I would love to have you over for dinner sometime this week if you are free.
I would be absolutely delighted. That is such a generous offer. Thank you. I would love to. I am free most evenings this week as I am just settling in. Just let me know which day is good for you.